If you're a car enthusiast, you need to see this. We're building an engine faster than you can say turbocharged. First, we start with the block. Clean it, prep it, and make it shine. Next, crankshaft goes in. Carefully aligned and bolted. Pistons and rods, pop them in. Now, it's camshaft time. Slide it in smoothly. Heads are up next. Torque those bolts perfectly. Intake and exhaust valves? Installed like a pro. Timing belt? Align it precisely. Top it off with a supercharger for that extra oomph. Wiring and sensors? Connect them all. Fluids? Fill them up. Final check. Everything's in place. And boom, our engine roars to life. Can you feel the adrenaline? That, my friends, is how you build the fastest car engine ever. Hit the like button if you're revved up.